Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I efficiently and effortlessly dry my hair, blow dry / stretch my hair without much effort. Okay, now I will be using my Rough Air. Now this tool, this blow dryer, has changed my entire blow dry routine, so I definitely recommend it. If you can afford it, I will link it down in my description, but I will be showing you how I use that on my hair. So first off, I am going to add some leave-in conditioner into my hair. Now you always want to make sure that before you blow dry your hair, you have some leave-in in it. And also you want to make sure that you add some heat protectant. So I will be stretching out my hair in sections. I'm going to start with a little section and apply my heat protectant. And after applying my heat protectant, now I'm going to go in and use my Rough Air device to stretch out / blow dry my hair with little effort and little heat. So this device is quite bulky, if I'm going to be honest, but you don't need to be holding all the parts. That's where you put on the power. And then this is where I put it on the lowest setting. I always use just one, okay? I don't go above. It's always on one because I always try to use the lowest heat possible. So on here, the setting, I'm going to use the lowest one. Now, if you want to use less time to achieve a straight look, you would use the other one, which is a more high heat and takes less time. But if you're going to use the low one, as I am using, then it's going to take a little time, but it still doesn't take as much time as if you use the blow dryer or if you use another way. So one thing about this device is that it sucks out the water or any moisture in your hair, and at the same time stretches out your hair. So it's like it works like a vacuum. It sucks out all the moisture from your hair, and then it stretches out your hair whilst it's sucking out the moisture. So it makes blow drying your hair very easy. And also it is very efficient and you don't use a lot of effort to get it done. The device itself is bulky, but then the hand part of it is not as bulky and it's not very heavy. So using it saves me a lot of time and energy, and my hands don't hurt, because when you have thick hair, okay, when you have thick 4C hair or thick 4B hair, it can get a little daunting, okay, when you have to use blow dryer to blow out your hair. But whenever I use this device, I'm able to stretch out my hair in under 30 minutes. And also I'm able to save myself a lot of energy compared to if I blow dry my hair. Also, another thing to note is that you do not want to use this device when your hair is soaking wet, okay? Make sure that you have taken out some of the water from your hair before you use this device, because you don't want too much water dripping into the vacuum. You want your hair to be moist, but not too moist, okay? So after I am done stretching out the hair, I am going to be using the mongongo pomade. It's a pomade which turns into oil, so you can use it whenever you apply heat to your hair. It's good for you to use that as a protectant shield for your hair. I'm going to apply that onto my hair, and now I'm going to use a white tooth comb to just brush out the twist which I have in right now, and voila, my hair is stretched. Now this is the easiest and most efficient way for me to stretch out my hair without too much hassle or too much effort. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and also do not forget, and also if you're new, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.